Hey guys, thanks for letting me do this passion project. I just want to show you my little studio. This is where I keep my work. This is where I do all my artwork. This is my wall easel. This is a wall easel. Came up with the idea from a famous artist, Andrew Tischler. He lives in New Zealand, and he came up with this idea where he just puts basic hooks on the back, and we screw them in. They don't go all the way, so you can see the canvases are thick. They don't go all the way, but they have these little hooks, right? And then the hooks as well fit just like this, just like that, and then they just hang. So I've managed to make a bunch of them, and then I just fit them all in the top, so you can see them all. They hook up onto my paintings. And it's pretty clever because I can paint this one, let this one dry, then work on this one, then let that one dry, then move on to the next one. Right now I'm working on my dog Leo. I like to work on wood. It's very fine detail you can put in wood. I gesso the paintings first a lot. I gesso them over and then I sand them down. Do like 3 layers before I work on anything. Wood gives me finer tooth, a finer detail. I can do a finer detail in my artwork that way. I also paint in canvas, but more loosely. This one's ocean scene. It's gonna be anyways. Just very loose, basically. And let's see. Okay, I've got Milford Sound that I worked on. Again, another one that's on wood panel. Very detailed work. You can see all the detail. I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure if it's done. I just need to let it sit for a little while. Famous artist said, if you're ever in doubt and you're stuck on something, just let it cook. Let it sit for a while, you know? So I'm just gonna let it cook for a while and wait. Let it come out of the oven maybe later on. I don't know. Anyways, that's Milford Sound. Maybe atmosphere, maybe a glaze over, I'm not sure. I think it's too blue. This is a problem. It's too bright. I'm not sure. Anyways, Tiger print. This is another oil paint I worked on a little while ago. I made a whole bunch of prints of this one. I managed to donate like $2,000 a few years ago on donations, just for the prints and actual the final painting was on auction, and I gave the charity money to the kids' cancer. So yeah, if you can see kids' cancer, I do a lot of work for kids' cancer. I cycle for Canada kids' cancer, children's hospital. And then let's see, I have my illustration book, my sketchbook. I do a lot of sketches. This one's my favorite right now. Put a lot of hours of detail into this one. I like to give away my drawings. I have given them away. I do like rough thumbnails, and then I'll just put the sketch together. There's Leo. I get a lot of inspiration on my dog. I draw my dog, and I'm working on portraits of my dog, my own dog. That's Winston. That's another famous dog portrait I've done. I like to do dog portraits for people. What else? Oh, the lighting in here is diffused. Kind of mimics like the sunlight, so that I can get nice even lighting across my paintings. You can see there's like nice even lighting on the surface of the paintings. Where else? I think that's it, I guess. This is where I store all my canvases. Yeah, I buy a lot. Still got a lot of work to do on a few canvases if I want to just pull one up. And that's my studio. Thanks for letting me do a little walkthrough.